What is rural development? So, we all know that the majority of the population in our country are basically residing in the rural areas. So, if we go about statistically, we can see that more than 70% of the population is residing in rural areas in our country. So, therefore, the concept of rural development is of very important nature. Now, what is actually the rural development? Rural development refers to the overall development of the village economy. That is, we by rural development we mean the development of the village area as a whole, not only the people but as a whole. It can be defined as a process whereby the standard of living of poor people or rural people, especially of the rural poor, rises continuously. And under the process of rural development, the main focus is development of the areas which are basically lagging behind. So in rural development, we deal with the concepts of developing the credit system and banking system in the rural area, and then we talk about the marketing of agricultural products, that is commercialization of crops using better methods. Then we also talk about role of cooperatives, that is how does cooperating among themselves can help in commercialization and make agriculture more profitable. Then we talk about diversification of Indian agriculture, that is we must not only depend on only one crop but diversify our cropping. And lastly, we talk about the alternating farming system, or in other words organic farming, which is nowadays very much on the rise. So the key issues of rural development are rural credit, agricultural marketing, role of cooperatives, diversification of agriculture, and organic farming. Apart from this, some other important key issues in rural development can be introduced as land reforms measures, development of local productive resources, shifting cultures, special measures for poverty alleviation, a better irrigation, credit and agricultural marketing system, and development of infrastructure and human resources in the form of education and health.